Sorrento's major square is Piazza Tasso. The piazza is surrounded by cafés, the baroque Church del Carmine and the Palazzo Correale, and is named after the 17th century poet Torquato Tasso. From here you may access the major shopping district. Visitors to southern Italy sometimes combine the Amalfi Coast, Sorrento and Capri into a single trip, but this does a disservice to the uniqueness of these sites. Sorrento on the Sorrentine Peninsula is a stunning site that deserves to be seen in its own right, having attracted visitors since the 19th century. The restaurant-lined Piazza Tasso and the Church of San Francesco retain its romantic attractiveness, while the Museo Correale and the Museo Muta provide insight into the old culture and customs of this wonderful locale. Sorrento is more connected and quicker to access than the Amalfi Coast if you're coming from large towns like Rome or Florence, giving it an ideal base for exploring this popular southern Italian area. In addition, instead of many travels including trains, buses or private transfers, take the high-speed rail from Sorrento to Naples directly. Sorrento is also well connected by water, with daily departures from the port to Naples, Capri, Ischia and Amalfi in the summer, and 3 times a week to Procida. Sorrento's steep cliffs provide stunning views over the Bay of Naples, the Amalfi Coast and over to Capri. The Villa Comunale Park, a big public park with benches and a small cafe, is the most popular sunset point. If you're feeling fancy, treat yourself to a drink on the patio or roof deck of one of the 5-star hotels, or travel to adjacent Sant'Agnelo's beachside restaurant, La Marinella, which boasts a stunning view of the bay. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.